Alright, we got a 2021 Ford Transit. So the 20 and up Transits are going to be this for your oil change reset light. So if you have this message in your dash, oil change required, you perform the oil change. You come down right here, you got your control button here. So this is your menu button. You click OK to clear that message. And then you're going to go down, hit the button down to vehicle settings. You're going to get down to settings, and then you're going to click this little 3 hash mark button here. And then you're going to go down to vehicle maintenance, click OK. Your oil life will say 0% or whatever it is. And then you're just going to hold OK. Hold OK to reset your oil life. Once that's done, oil life is 100%. You can go back to whatever your main screen was that you wanted. So we're back to the mile per hour. It's that easy to reset your oil life on a 2020 and up Transit. It's no longer the foot brake pedal. Older ones are that style. New ones are just in the center screen. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped you.